how to sign out from UAE Pass. So if you want to sign out from UAE Pass, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you've logged in on your UAE. And if you're not being able to sign out from the application, then there's also another way. What you can do is open up your settings and then scroll down. After scrolling down, you'll find the apps option, tap on apps and then go with manage apps. Once you tap on manage apps, you need to search for UAE, and once you find the UAE Pass, you need to tap on it, go with clear all data, which will be on the bottom right of your screen, and then tap on OK. After clearing all of your data, just wait for a few seconds, and after that you need to now open the application, which is UAE Pass. And after opening your UAE Pass, it will log you out of your account. It will delete all of the data that you previously had, and now you can see that it will be new as you've downloaded just now. All of your saved information will be removed. You will be signed out of your account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.